Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we will learn about the sphere and hemisphere to find out the curved surface area, total surface area and the volume. We have already learnt about the sphere, that a sphere is a solid which is formed by revolving a circular sheet about one of its diameters. This we have seen with demonstration also in the previous videos. Now here we can learn one more thing. Suppose this is the circular sheet that has been revolved and it is converted into a sphere. Then the radius of the sheet, that is circular sheet, will be same as the radius of the sphere. So we can say that radius of sphere is same as the radius of the sheet, and that is suppose R. Here we take this is R. A ball is the best example of a sphere. Like you have cricket ball, volleyball, tennis ball, etc. Now suppose we want to find out the surface area of this. You see, this is the example of the ball. This is a ball, and on this you are finding this is the only surface area of this, whether you call it total surface area or the curved surface area. So we say it is the surface area of the sphere. Surface area of sphere is given by the formula 4 pi r square if the radius is r. The volume of sphere is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now coming to a spherical shell. What is the meaning of spherical shell? Suppose you have a hollow ball that is made of some particular material. Here you can see this. This is the example of a spherical shell. Suppose its outer radius is R1 and the inner radius is R2. Then this is the shell which is made of the material. Suppose we want to find out the volume of this spherical shell or the metal of which it is made. We can say outer radius is equal to R1. Inner radius is R2. Then the volume of material of shell, that will be given by outer volume minus inner volume, that is outer volume minus inner volume. We know the formula of volume of sphere, 4 by 3 pi r cube. So can we say this will be 4 by 3 pi r1 cube minus 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. If we take 4 by 3 pi common, this will be r1 cube minus r2 cube. This can be used as a formula to find out the volume of the spherical shell or volume of the material of which this particular shell has been made. Hemisphere. Hemisphere is actually half of the sphere. See, like this, this is 1. If the radius is r, this is the top of it. Suppose it is made of a sheet of very small thickness or negligible thickness. Then suppose we want to find out its outer curved surface area only. The curved surface area, or you can say outer curved surface area of this will be half of the total surface area of the sphere or not. So we can say this is half into 4 pi r square, or you can say 2 pi r square. The volume of a hemisphere, whether it is solid or hollow, will be always half of the sphere because that is the space occupied. So we can say volume of a hemisphere will be half of 4 by 3 pi r cube. This 2 cancels this So will it be 2 by 3 pi r cube or not? Now suppose it is a solid hemisphere. Then the top you will find is also a surface. And that is circular. It means the total surface area of a solid hemisphere will be equal to curved surface area plus the area of the top. Will it be curved surface area plus area of top? That is, curved surface area is 2 pi r square and top is a circle. So this will be pi r square. It means this becomes 3 pi r square. That is the total surface area of this. Now suppose it is a hollow hemisphere made of some particular sheet with some thickness. If the outer radius is r1, inner radius is r2, then we know that the thickness will be equal to r1 minus r2 or not. That is the difference of the radii. In that case, suppose you want to find out its total surface area. You will find there are three surfaces. One is outer surface, another is inner surface, and third is the ring which is made on the top of it. Hence the total surface area of this will be given by outer curved surface area plus inner curved surface area plus area of circular ring, area of ring. We know the outer curved surface area is 2 pi r1 square. Inner curved surface area is 2 pi r2 square. And area of ring we know is pi into r1 square minus r2 square. So this is the way we can find out the total surface area of a hemisphere which is made of some particular material with thickness d, or d can be said to be as r1 minus r2. If we want to find out the volume of material or volume of metal of which this is made, will that be outer volume minus inner volume or not? Suppose outer volume we say V1 and inner volume suppose we say V2, 2 by 3 pi into R1 cube minus R2 cube or not? So like this, whether we have a solid hemisphere or hollow hemisphere, or it is made of some particular material of some thickness, we can find out the curved surface area, the total surface area and the volume by these particular formulae. Now we will take some of the examples based on this particular concept which we have learnt just now. The first example is find the surface area and volume of a sphere whose diameter is 7 centimeter. See, first of all we have to read the question carefully and understand whether it is a diameter given or the radius given. Here we have been given the diameter. To find out the solution, first of all we write diameter is equal to 7 centimeter. It means the radius r will be equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. Then we know the surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere is given by 4 pi r square. Substituting the values we get here 4 into 22 by 7 into r square means 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. This 7 cancels this 7, 2 cancels this twice and this 2 also cancels this. So it is coming 22 into 7, 154 centimeters square. Now the volume of sphere is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube. Substituting the values, we get 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. This 2 cancels this twice, this 2 cancels this 2, this 2 cancels this 11 times, and this 7 cancels this 7. This comes as 11 into 49 divided by 3. This is 11 9 ja 99, 11 to the 44 and 9 53. So this comes as 539 upon 3 centimeter cube. That is the volume of the sphere. The second example we have, find the volume of a sphere whose surface area is 5544 centimeter square. What we do? Given surface area and we have to find out the volume. It means first we have to find out the radius. So we write in the solution, let the radius be r. Then given curved surface area, or you can say only surface area, is equal to 5544 centimeter square. We know the formula for surface area of a sphere, that is 4 pi r square, that is 5544 centimeter square. Can we write this as 4 into 22 by 7 into r square equal to 5544? It means by transposition we can get the value of r square as 5544 into 7 upon 4 into 22. 22 cancels this, 22 2 ja 44, 22 5 ja 110 and 252. 4 cancels this, 4 6 ja 24, 4 3 ja 12, 63. It means the value of r square we are getting is 9 into 7 into 7. So the radius r will be given by root of 9 into 7 into 7, which is 3 into 7, or we can say 21 centimeter. We have got the value of radius r as 21 centimeter. Now we can find out the volume, and we know the formula of volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Substituting the values, we get 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21 into 21, that is cube of 21. 3 cancels this 7 times, 7 cancels this, and we are getting here 88. 21 into 21 is 441, and on multiplying this we get 38808 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the sphere. The next example we have is a hollow hemispherical vessel of diameters 8 centimeter and 4 centimeter is to be polished. Find the cost of polishing it at rupees 28 per 100 centimeter square. What we have to do? We have to find out the surface area where we have to polish it first of all. Here it is given that the external diameter D1 is 8 centimeter and internal diameter D2 is 4 centimeter. It means the outer radius R1 will be 4 centimeter and the inner radius R2 will be 2 centimeter, because we know radius is half of the diameter. Now to polish the surface area to be polished, as we have learnt for a hollow hemisphere with some thickness, that is outer curved surface area plus inner curved surface area plus the area of circular ring. We know outer curved surface area is 2 pi r1 square, inner curved surface area is 2 pi r2 square, and the area of ring is pi into r1 square minus r2 square. When we simplify this, 2 pi r1 square plus pi r1 square, that will be 3 pi r1 square. This is 2 pi r2 square minus pi r2 square, that becomes plus pi r2 square. To make it easy, if we take pi common, this will be 3r1 square plus r2 square or not. Substituting the values, we get 22 by 7 into 3 into 4 square, because r1 is 4, plus r2 is 2, that is 2 square. Is it equal to 22 by 7 into 4 square, 16 into 3, 48, plus 2 square, 4, equal to 22 by 7 into 48 plus 4, 52. 22 into 52, that is 22 to the 44, 4, 22 5 is 110 and 4, 114 upon 7 centimeter square. Now we have been given that this is cost is 28 rupees per 100 centimeter square. So cost of polishing in that case will be 1144 upon 7 into 28 upon 100 rupees or not. 7 4 are 28. This is equal to 4576 upon 100. It means this comes as rupees 45.76. This is the answer. Like this, we can find out the solution of all the problems based on sphere and hemisphere, provided the concepts are clear to us and we know all the formulae. In the next video, we will learn about the frustum of a cone, how to find out its curved surface area, total surface area and volume, etc. and what is a frustum. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any comments or doubts, leave them in the comment box and I will get back to you.